Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Ali Ahmad, and today we are going to discuss confirmation letters. Confirmation letters are written when you have to confirm an agreement uh, and it verifies the details of the agreement. Confirmation letters are also written when you are going to confirm a job and it details the uh, job related agreement points. We will write confirmation letter in three parts: introduction, discussion, and conclusion, or body and conclusion. In introduction, we will state context of the letter. When you will discuss when you met, spoke on telephone, or communicated by email, where the meeting took place, and what the topic of the letter is, and why this letter is being written. Obviously, you will write that this letter is being written to confirm the agreement that was done on that date through that medium, through that source, and when we have a discussion on telephone, or when we have a discussion on when we had a discussion in face to face meeting, and it was discussed that this agreement is going to be written between us, so you will write this in the letter and tell that the topic of the letter is this. For example, the topic of the letter is confirmation of job, and or confirmation of agreement, or confirmation of an idea, or things like that. In body of the letter, you will provide any of the following. For example, dates: what were the dates of the agreement, what were the model or serial numbers of the thing on which you are going to agree. If it is a agreement related to plot or things like that, you will write locations, you will write fees, time. In times, you will tell personals and certification requirements, and you will write about equipments used, length of agreement, menus and decorations, parking room setup. If it is about costs, what date, time, and cost, three things will be covered in this part of the letter. If it is a job confirmation letter, you will write in this part the terms and conditions of the job, and the terms that will govern this job, and the salary package, and the leave rules, and other things like that. In conclusion, you will tell the reader what he or she should do the next, and you will include a request for signature, payment, due dates, and method of payment. If it is a job letter, you will request a signature and a uh, return of the said confirmation through email or mail.